Hello! Long time no see. Today we have built a robot whose entire purpose is to hold up a TV.
Hello there.
And also hold some other things inside of his chest, such as insert object here.
This TV stand is just two wooden boxes with some extra greebles made of 2x4s added on for fun. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a musical montage to show you how to build the boxes, and then we'll walk you through all the extras. And then I clamped everything, because that's what I do. I mean, have we met? You know this.
The next day. Later.
The legs are made out of 2x4s because 2x4s are cheap and we can get them easily. Round the edges. And then round the sides to make them look like appendages. Once you glue the pieces together, you'll end up with something that looks like this, except there will be two of them. Now that the basic box is put together, it's a good time to make the chest and face pieces, as well as put in the center shelf, and then round off everything to make it easy to open when the chest and face plates are added later.
Our bipedal friend requires appendages in the form of arms. We will be constructing his arms out of 2x4s and making them look metallic. So that way we can fool people into him being stronger than he actually is.
So basically, you're going to cut it and sand it, just like you did with the legs. Except you're going to mount these to the side, and not the bottom.
Alright, here's our robot. This wooden stick is acting as our TV stand-in to give us a measure of length. The TV will be level to the head, so the arms will be about midway down between at the top of the torso and about the belly. So that way we can have more of a straight-on approach and more of an angle, but these arms are doing very different things, so we need them to be hidden. So we made these blinders, these bells. They'll attach to the side about midway through. You can see this one's got the mark. And they'll hide everything that the shoulders are doing, so that way the arms can do whatever they need to do, which is hold the TV. Kind of similar to how your shoulders are assembled, except way more blocky.
Oh wait, we didn't tell you how to build the bells. Take a saw blade, draw a half circle, and cut out 4 of them. Then assemble your arms through whatever means you choose. After it dries, attach the arms to the sides with screws, and then you're done.
It's time for paint. Painting completed. All that's missing is a face and a chest. If you're familiar with Mr. Potato Head, you know what's happening next. Hold on, what year did the Jetsons come out? Transport yourself to 1962 because we're about to do a robot makeover. Woo! We're gonna mount the front faceplate and the chest plate. To perform our facelift, we will take different greebles created out of household wares, such as PVC covers and drawer pulls. In fact, this is all we're using. We are going to surface mount the eyes, nose, and mouth because we hate bolts going on the inside because it ruins the beautiful illusion we have created before you today. The beauty of using readily available household hardware is it comes with all the accessories that you need to mount everything yourself. I'm so delighted and excited to share with you a new shop tool that we have gotten that will bring us much delight as much as it will you. Behold, banana for scale. For our use, we will guillotine off the extra amount of length that we do not need so we do not ruin the other side of our robot's face for your viewing pleasure. The face is done. Now it's time for the chest.
1 hour later.
The chest is done. Now we mount it to the body.
Yeah.
I cut piano hinges to the lengths that I needed, and then put in 1 million screws to hold them all in place.
We got ourselves a robot.
Construction complete. Now it's time to mount it to the wall. Whoop, whoop. The function of this robot is a cabinet, so we're going to bolt it to the wall using studs, so that way it won't fall over on anyone. The TV is hanging on a regular TV mount. The robot is just for show. He's a silly little guy for us. That's it for the TV robot.
If you want to see more of our projects, like and subscribe. We'll make more.
We're getting out of here. It's hot. Good night.